Hello, it is time for another Sophie's Box unboxing video. I just did one, I think a month and a half or maybe 2 months ago, and I was very fortunate to receive another Sophie's Box this month. Sophie's Box is a box of Korean beauty that is distributed to influencers. This just came today and I don't know what's inside. All I did was take off the DHL plastic envelope from the top, but I have not peeked inside. So let's see, it says hands, face, hair, and body. I'm really excited. It feels heavy. So let's see what is in there. In the past, these boxes have been way more than generous with content. Okay. Oh, cute. Thank you so much and have a great day. Thank you, Sophie. Each box has a booklet like this that has information about products. I'm not going to peek in because I don't want to spoil it for myself. I want to see what's in there. But basically, there's information in there on why Sophie included what she included and how to use it, which is really nice because sometimes things don't come with instructions in English. So this is really great. Okay, let's see. Ooh, okay. Logically Skin Lift Derm Hand Cream. Sweet. I've tried Logically Skin products because of Sophie's box, and my impressions have been nothing but positive. So this is really exciting, and I can definitely always use some hand cream. I actually have my nails done this time, but normally I have pretty dry nails and hands, so this is great. Oh, there's another thing that is a little familiar. Claire's Fundamental Ampoule Mist. Really exciting. I've had the Claire's Fundamental Watery Oil Drop Serum. I think that's the proper name. And I just ran out of it and it was really amazing. So I've actually been wanting to try this. And I know Claire's is coming out with a cream in the same line that I also want to try. So this is exciting. I'm not going to open these right now just because they're stickers, but I will be opening all that and taking pictures. What is this? It smells good. I wonder if it's a soap. S23, S22, S5. Okay, I'm really intrigued now. Oh, okay, perfect. Facial soap. Calming, softening, clean, raw ingredients for dry and combination skin. How awesome, and no preservatives. Okay, let's see if I can peek in without hopefully destroying the box. Okay. Oh, how cute. Very interesting. I have not tried any bar soaps that were KBeauty before, so this is exciting. And let's see what this one is. Wasabi and menthol body soap. Okay, sounds a little intense. I'm not gonna open this one because I already smushed the other one a little bit opening it. There's some soap stuff here. Okay. What's this one? Grapefruit oil body soap. Calming and softening. Okay, that sounds a little bit less intense than wasabi. Oh, it smells so good. Sweet. I'm really excited. Look for my reviews of this stuff on Instagram at KBeautyHobbit, and then I'll put out the reviews on my blog, KBeautyHobbit.com as well. What is this? Oh, cool. Wild Fig Shampoo Bar. Very nice. I've actually been looking at some shampoo bars, non-Korean. I didn't even know that KBeauty has Korean or has shampoo bars, but it makes sense because they pretty much have everything else. And I haven't used shampoo bars recently, but I have in the past tried them, and I like that it's way less waste, less packaging, less water that is used. So I'm excited to try this. And Fig, I think, has been popular. I'm From just released a bunch of Fig products that I've been enjoying, so Fig must be the ingredient. Sunny Baby Shampoo Bar. Aww. Eco-friendly and vegan shampoo bar with turmeric. Oh, I love the name. Oh, my Sunny babies are both asleep, which is why I finally am able to open this, even though I received it a few hours ago and it's just been sitting and waiting, and I'm so impatient, but I wanted to make sure that I open it on video because I try to be honest. I don't want to do an unboxing video of something I've already unboxed. Go Green Hair Shampoo Bar. Can eco-friendly and vegan. Great, with green tea, camellia oil, and tea tree oil. Awesome. I'm so excited to try these. I will be posting reviews in just on my regular Instagram and then in stories as well. What is this? Round Lab Sleeping Pack to hydrate skin. Oh, and it has PHA, mild peeling. Really great, because PHA is even milder than AHA and BHA, so usually it's okay to use in the summer. Of course, be sure to use SPF with it. I have not heard of this Round Lab brand before, which is why I love Sophie's boxes so much. She definitely takes great care in picking really good quality products, but then a lot of the times it's lesser known stuff or things that I haven't tried. And I've been a very heavy consumer of Korean beauty for about 4 years now. So it's nice to be able to get a box full of stuff and then not have things in the box that I've already had. Centella Cleansing Powder. Oh, I wonder if it's like an enzyme wash where it starts out as a powder and then you add water to it. Yes, transforms into a creamy foam. Cool. Expecting tomorrow. Okay, I'm just... Oh, do I open it or do I take pictures of the packaging while it's nice? Okay, I'll open it from the bottom. I'll cheat a little bit. Let's see. Oh! What? Oh, how cool. Okay, these are little individual baby powders. Okay. I'm very easily impressed, in case you can't tell. Oh, these are so cute. Look at that. Alright. I don't even know how this was in there. Like this, maybe? Okay. Oh, how cute. Oh, I can't wait to try these. That's just amazing. I bet this would be really cool to take with you if you travel. Not that I'm traveling anywhere right now. Okay. Another Round Lab. What is this? Oh, a toner. Great. Can always use toners. Let's see. Ooh. Pretty. I like the little design. Made in Korea. Okay. Alpentheno. Very good. Sugarcane. Can't wait to try that with seawater. I wonder what unaided formula means. I'll have to read up on this brand just because I've never even heard of it, which is not saying much because Korea has so many amazing brands, and that's the beauty of K-Beauty. You never get bored. What is this? CosRX Green Hero Calming Pad. Oh, I love that I got my hands on CosRX since they're rebranding. They've changed a lot of packaging on stuff, and it looks so different now. Oh, look at that pretty green. Calming pads. Okay. So I wonder if it's, which hazel tea tree? I wonder if it's like a toner pad, and it probably is. Okay, it's sealed. But yeah, it feels like it's toner pads in there. Great. I like these, especially in the morning. Not these specific ones, but I like toner pads, especially in the morning, because I usually don't wash my face with soap in the mornings. I have combination skin, and I just do a toner pad and then SPF. Never skip SPF. How amazing. I think there's about a dozen things in here, so I'm very excited. I'll be posting my first impressions, like I said, on Instagram, so look for that. And then I usually do full reviews after I've used the product for quite a long time on my Instagram and then on my blog, KBeautyHobbit.com. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you are having an awesome time. I will talk to you later. Bye.